and Engineering department. So in this video we are going to continue the previous video. In previous video we are discussing about the how we have to analyze the raw data in data analytics. So now we are going to continue the same concept, data cleaning. So under this data cleaning, if I am collecting one flat file, so this flat file may contains n cross n rows and columns. So which means this is one of the flat file. So this is the sample flat file. It may contain the column number 1, 2, 3 and column number 4 up to column number n. So likewise row 1, row 2 up to row n. So which means it may contain the huge amount of data, which means big data. If I want to analyze any statistical report over to this table, means I cannot easily process this. It is too complexity. So for that purpose, I am going to convert this raw data into meaningful data. So meaningful data is nothing but in this n cross n data, we cannot find out the easy output. So which means I am moving on to the pictorial representation. So which means based on this numerical data or else any text data or else an alphanumerical data. So based on the data, I am moving on to the pictorial representation. The pictorial representation may be present in the charts or else any graphs or else any maps. So based on these are the major analytical report in pictorial representation. It may contain the variety of charts. It maybe contains a pie chart or bar chart, column chart, stack chart. So likewise it may be present in a different variety of chart. So why we are moving this table into pictorial representation means here we can present the output in with the form of highly colorful and accurate data. We can easily vary the each and every data, whether the entire report is growth or else it's maybe getting down. So based on that we can easily understand with the help of color representation. So likewise graphs. In this we can moving on to the x and y axis representation. The next one is maps. So this mainly maps are used in the temperature analysis and also weather reporting, weather forecasting and rain forecasting. Based on that information, we can generate entire data in the form of maps. So for this maps, best example is if you are moving on to that live news based on the rainy season. So on that time we can the reporter can easily present the which area is highly covered in a red alert or else any orange alert. So based on that maps, they will present the content. So if you are moving on to this n cross n table, we cannot easily fetch the data. So that's why we are moving on to the pictorial representation. The same thing will be present in the business related process also. If I want to analyze any statistical report or else any financial related reports, so in Tally we cannot easily classify the each and every data in the pictorial representation. So for that purpose we are moving to the data analytics. So data analytics is nothing but if you are taking the n number of data, this data may be present in two types. So first one is the numerical data, second one is the alphabetical data, and also it may consist of three data. Third one is the alphanumerical data. Alphanumerical data. So these three data may be present in these rows and columns. So this unordered data, this will be converted into the ordered data. Then I am moving on to the pictorial representation, may be present in the chart or its graph or its in the map format. So next process is this. These are the three types of data analytics. So this we are used in the data analytical report. The next we are moving on to the data processing techniques. Data processing techniques. So under this, it may be present in the 5 to 6 types of types. So first one is we are collecting the data from the field. in fieldwork related data. Thank you.